Hello, this is Paradise Studios, and today we are going to be working on, and I'm getting sick and tired of hearing that squeakity squeaking on that bed. Don't worry, that's going to change as soon as I go into job. Anyway, as I was saying, welcome to the mouth animation lip syncing tutorial that I said I was going to do, and I put it off for so long and I never actually did until now. And this is what we got so far. Let's remove the mouth layer and let's just listen. No. Actually, no. That's not fair. Anyway, here we go.
Let me show you some of my favorite games.
Now, here is how you animate mouths. First, you gotta know how to draw a mouth. And so, let's go to how to draw a mouth, so I can show you. Now you see, like everything, what you do is you start with a circle. Everything starts with a circle. Next, this is where center of the mouth is, and this is where the lips are. There you go. And finally, you realize this is not the actual tutorial part. April freaking Fools. You got tricked. You don't start a mouth with a circle. If you do, what is wrong with you? Back to the animation. Nope, not that. Not that. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I lost it. Oh, there it is. Watch closely. Watch the mouth. It has to start to open. And as it does, you then begin to see the teeth and everything, and the tongue. Making the L sound, the tongue goes right at those teeth. Oh, like. And if you're holding that for a little bit, don't just copy and paste it. Kind of just adjust the size on it just randomly until it's time to transition. And this is what I like to do with my T's and my S's and my D's and stuff. Just one of those toothy smiles. And of course for M's and B's, of course for B's I'd put more of a pucker. And of course for P's as well. But for M's, that's a different story. You can just draw the mouth shut. And then E, that sometimes I do the toothy smile for that one, but for this one I decided not to. So, me. Now this one I just realized, when you say show, you gotta pay attention. There's shh, which has the mouth like in an O or whatever, and you got your finger over, or there's that shh, which is what you do in kind of a hiss, but through the teeth. So there's always that gap right there. And look how it slowly transitions to show. Like so. Whoops. And as it goes to the O, the mouth shrinks there. See what I was talking about?
Let me show.
But here's a tip for you. Very important. Let me turn this off real quick. You will notice
Let me show you some.
that mouth right there. That's not a mouth. That is the lip line. Pay attention to that very closely.
Let me show you some of my favorite games.
And you will figure out why I added it.
Let me show you some of my favorite games. Let me show you some.
Because when you add that mouth lip right there, your animation for the mouth looks better than if you didn't. Because we all know that mouths, when mouths move, you realize that they only move down. The lower part of the jaw is the only part that moves. And so, that is why. Anyway, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something, and hope to see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below what you think of this, and share it with anybody you think is having trouble with their mouth animations in videos. Thank you.